Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Phantom Wallet extension. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, particularly Solana. To get the most out of Phantom Wallet, it is essential to follow best practices that ensure the security and efficiency of your transactions. First, it is crucial to understand the importance of keeping your Phantom Wallet extension up to date. Regular updates often include security patches and new features that improve the overall user experience. To update your Phantom Wallet extension, simply navigate to the Chrome Web Store, search for Phantom Wallet, and click the Update button. Next, it is vital to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. This can be done by navigating to the Settings menu and selecting the two-factor authentication option. You will then be prompted to scan a QR code using an authenticator app, which will generate a unique code that you must enter to complete the authentication process. Another best practice is to use a strong and unique password for your Phantom Wallet extension. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date, and consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords. When sending or receiving cryptocurrencies, it is essential to double-check the recipient's address to ensure that your funds are being sent to the correct location. You can do this by verifying the address through multiple sources or by using a blockchain explorer to check the address's transaction history. In addition to these best practices, it is also important to be aware of common phishing scams that target Phantom Wallet users. These scams often involve fake emails or websites that attempt to trick users into revealing their sensitive information. To avoid falling victim to these scams, never click on suspicious links or provide your wallet's seed phrase to anyone. Finally, it is recommended to use a hardware wallet in conjunction with your Phantom Wallet extension. Hardware wallets provide an additional layer of security by storing your private keys offline, making it more difficult for hackers to access your funds. By following these best practices, you can ensure the security and efficiency of your Phantom Wallet extension. Remember to always keep your wallet up to date. Enable two-factor authentication. Use strong and unique passwords. Double-check recipient addresses. Be aware of phishing scams. And consider using a hardware wallet. By taking these steps, you can protect your cryptocurrencies and get the most out of your Phantom Wallet experience.